Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck. And get this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your Vivo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!